To understand this, you need to go back to one single moment in 1947. Chuck Yeager, a former World War II fighter pilot with absolutely zero fear, climbed into a rocket-powered aircraft called the Bell X-1 and broke the sound barrier for the first time in history. Nobody knew if a plane could survive it. The controls shook violently. The aircraft nearly tore itself apart. But he made it through, and after that, engineers got greedy. They thought, if we can break the sound barrier, what else can we break?